is cat and D is doll. E is egg and F is fish. G is goat, swish, swish, swish. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Sing the alphabet with me. H is hat and I is ice. J is juice that tastes so nice. K is kite that flies up high. L is leaf that waves goodbye. H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Let's sing all the letters again. O is orange, P is pig. Q is queen and close so big. R is rabbit hopping fast. S is sun that shines at last. O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. Learning letters is fun to do. V is van that zooms away. W is water every day. X is box with X on top. Y is yarn in one big knot. Z is zebra, black and white. Now you